First, check the connector part quantity against the parts table. After confirming that the parts are complete, you also need to prepare one wire and one heat shrinkable tube. And tools: Phillips screw blade, tweezers, soldering iron. Next, start to assemble. Step 1. Put the locking nuts into the wire in sequence. Thrust ring. Lock seal. Sealing rings are divided into big and small ends. The large end needs to face the direction of the wire, and the small end faces outward. Step 2. Insert the sleeve. The wrench end of the sleeve faces the direction of the wire. Inserting the cable retention clip. The semicircular threading groove faces the direction of the wire, and the round end faces outward. Step 3. Solder the wire with the connector, and then put it into the heat shrinkable sleeve. Step 4. Put the cable fixing clip on the female body connector. The protrusions on both sides are aligned with the side notches of the female body connector. After pushing, the notch of the cable retention clip aligns with the groove of the female body connector. The fifth step. Install the locking wire piece, and lock with screws. The screw should be locked in from one end of the semicircular threading groove. Step 6. Align the protrusion inside the connecting ring with the notch of the female end connector. Then lock with sleeve. Step 7. Put the sealing ring, thrust ring, lock nuts are pushed forward one by one. Lock nut and sleeve locking. Finally, use tweezers to install the gasket in the direction of the notch. Complete assembly.